Stop buying batteries that die on you. You've probably thrown away more money on batteries than you realize. The average American household spends somewhere between $50 and $100 a year just on disposable batteries, and that's not counting the ones that leak and destroy your devices. Remote controls, kids' toys, game controllers, flashlights, wireless keyboards, they all eat batteries alive. And if you've ever had your smoke detector start chirping at 2 in the morning, you already know exactly how frustrating battery dependency can be. Here's the thing. Rechargeable batteries in 2026 are genuinely different from the ones your parents used. The technology has matured, the capacity is higher, the longevity is longer, and if you pick the right ones, you could realistically never buy a disposable AA or AAA again. No, but the market is flooded, and picking the wrong set means you're throwing money into a product that dies within a year. So in this video, I'm breaking down the 6 best rechargeable batteries you can buy right now, ranked from good to absolutely the best you can put in your hands. Number 1 is going to surprise some of you who think you already know the answer. All product links are in the description. Let's get into it, starting at number 6. Number 6, Amazon Basics Rechargeable AA batteries. If you're new to rechargeables and you don't want to spend a lot up front, Amazon Basics is a completely reasonable starting point. These NIMH batteries are rated at 2,000 to 2,400 mAh, and independent testing from Reviewed.com found real-world capacity landing around 1,800 to 2,100 mAh, which is solid for the price. Now, they're rated for up to 1,000 charge cycles, and Amazon claims they hold 80% of their charge after 2 years of storage. The honest story here is that they work reliably in low to medium drain devices, TV remotes, wall clocks, wireless mice, kids' toys. For those kinds of gadgets, you genuinely don't need anything more expensive. The limitation is simple. They don't hold up as impressively in high-drain applications like flash photography or powerful flashlights. You'll notice a performance drop in demanding devices when compared to the premium options higher on this list. But if you're buying for a household with a dozen devices that all just need basic, reliable power, and you're picking up a 24-pack, the cost per battery math makes a strong argument. They're a good entry point, just not the stopping point. Now, hold on to that thought because the gap between these and number 1 is significant. Number 5, EBL 2,800 mAh high-capacity NIMH batteries. Most people scroll past EBL without a second thought because the name doesn't ring a bell. That's exactly how they've been getting away with outperforming batteries that cost twice as much. EBL doesn't carry the brand recognition of Panasonic or Energizer, and for a long time that kept them off most people's radar. But their performance data has turned heads among the testers who actually bothered to look. Reviewed.com tested the EBL 2,800 mAh AA batteries and found them holding approximately 2,600 mAh of real capacity, making them the highest measured capacity of any battery in that entire testing round. They ran a battery-powered fan for just under 6 hours and powered a flashlight for over 3.5 hours. EBL rates these at a working temperature range of -20 to 60 degrees Celsius, which means they handle outdoor use in cold conditions better than several competitors. They also feature overcharge and short-circuit prevention built into the design, safety features you'd expect from a premium product at a price that doesn't feel premium at all. The catch? That massive capacity comes at a trade-off. EBL batteries typically max out around 1,200 charge cycles, fewer than what the top-tier options on this list offer. So, while your devices will run longer per charge, these won't outlast the competition across many years of continuous use. For someone who needs maximum capacity in power-hungry gadgets and is okay replacing a set every few years, this is a genuinely strong pick. For someone who wants a battery they can charge over and over for a decade without thinking about it. Keep watching. Number 4. IKEA Lada Rechargeable Batteries. Yes, the furniture store makes some of the best rechargeable batteries you can buy. That sentence sounds ridiculous. And yet, here we are. CNN tested 13 of the most popular rechargeable battery models available, and the IKEA Lada came in with an average tested capacity of 2,409 mAh. Their 2.5-hour flashlight runtime landed at the top of the test range, and the 10-hour motorized toy car runtime was only 10 minutes behind the best overall result in the entire test. Now, the batteries and IKEA's charger are sold separately. But here's the thing. Even when you add both to your cart together, the combined total still comes in dramatically lower than what you'd pay for a premium starter kit from Panasonic or Energizer. You're essentially getting near-premium performance at a budget kit price. The honest downside is availability. If you don't have an IKEA nearby and you're buying online, shipping adds friction. But for sheer performance per dollar, the Lada is nearly impossible to argue with. Multiple testing labs have pointed out that these batteries appear to be manufactured in the same factory that used to produce Sanyo's original Eneloop line, and that DNA shows up clearly in the performance results. Absolute bargain here. Number 3. Panasonic Eneloop Standard AA. Here is where the conversation shifts from good batteries to genuinely exceptional ones. The standard Panasonic Eneloop AA is rated for up to 2,100 charge cycles. That means if you charge them 3 times per week, every single week, they'll still be functioning reliably for over 13 years. That's not a marketing number. That longevity comes from Panasonic's low self-discharge NIMH chemistry, which the battery industry has been benchmarking everything else against for over a decade. After 10 years of storage at room temperature, these batteries retain 70% of their charge. After just 6 months, they retain 90%. That's why they're a favorite for emergency kits and devices like smoke detectors that sit untouched for extended periods. The capacity sits at 1,900 mAh, which is lower than the EBL or LADDA, and that's a deliberate design choice. Lower capacity correlates directly with longer cycle life. Panasonic made a conscious engineering decision to prioritize longevity over raw milliampere-hour numbers. For everyday devices, remotes, keyboards, game controllers, wall clocks, small flashlights, the standard Eneloop performs flawlessly. Pre-charged at the factory using solar energy. Zero memory effect, meaning you can top them off whenever you want without losing any capacity over time. The standard Eneloop is the king of longevity in this category. So, what could possibly beat it for everyday household use? Let's look at number 2. Number 2, Energizer Recharge Universal AA. Energizer doesn't always get credit in the rechargeable space because they're better known for their alkaline line. But the Recharge Universal AA has become a go-to recommendation from multiple independent testing labs. Reviewed.com named it their top overall pick after hands-on testing. What makes that interesting is that Energizer actually lists the capacity of these batteries at 2,000 mAh, but real-world testing measured them holding closer to 2,200 to 2,300 mAh, meaning they outperform their own spec sheet. During testing, they powered a battery fan for just over 7 hours. They're rated for up to 1,000 charge cycles and reach a full charge in about 3 hours. For most households that charge weekly or bi-weekly, 1,000 cycles translates to nearly 2 decades of use. The Energizer Recharge Universal works across a wide range of devices, from low-drain remotes to higher-demand items like portable speakers and handheld gaming devices. And they're also consistently available at Target, Walmart, Best Buy, and Amazon, which matters when you need a replacement quickly without waiting on shipping. They sit at number 2 because they're the most practical balance of real-world performance, price, and availability for the average American household. The only battery that beats them is one that has been the benchmark for the entire rechargeable category. And that brings us to number 1. Number 1, Panasonic Eneloop Pro AA. The Eneloop Pro is the battery that professional photographers, serious gamers, and electronics enthusiasts keep coming back to. And the testing data explains exactly why. CNN_ named it the top overall pick after testing 13 competing models. Reviewed.com includes it in their best rechargeable roundup. Trusted Reviews recommends it for high-power applications. The consensus across independent sources is unusually consistent for any consumer product. The rated capacity is 2,550 mAh, and Panasonic claims these batteries retain 85% of their charge after a full year of storage. A head-to-head flash photography test found that Eneloop Pro batteries delivered 499 flashes compared to 291 from a leading alkaline competitor. That's a 71% increase in performance on one of the most demanding battery tests you can run. They operate reliably between -20 and 50 degrees Celsius. They come pre-charged. They have zero memory effect, meaning you can top them off anytime without hurting capacity. The one trade-off compared to the standard Eneloop is cycle count. The Pro is rated for 500 charge cycles rather than 2,100. That sounds like a downgrade until you do the math. 500 cycles at twice per week is still nearly 5 years of consistent use. And for high-drain devices where you actually need that 2,550 mAh capacity, there's nothing in this category that touches them at this price point. If you want one battery that handles everything from your camera to your kid's RC car without flinching, this is it. And that's your list. 6 genuinely great rechargeable batteries. Ranked. The Amazon Basics. If you're testing the waters, EBL if you want maximum capacity at a price that feels almost unfair. The IKEA Lada if you want near-premium performance for less. The standard Eneloop if longevity is everything. And the Eneloop Pro if you just want the best and don't want to think about it again. Every product link is in the description below, and along with the charger that pairs best with the top picks. If this helped you, hit like. It genuinely helps this channel reach people who are tired of throwing money away on disposables. Subscribe if you want more content like this. And drop a comment telling me which device in your house eats batteries the fastest.